Hello, I'm Prashant, and the topic for today is ESG investing. So, ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance, and it is a bunch of non financial factors that are being looked after by the new age investors to see the long term sustainability and ethical concerns and impacts regarding a company. So, in equity research and investing, ESG analysis is critical for the risk mitigation, for long term valuation, for the uh, screening of stocks by the institutional investors, and for the reputational and brand impact of the company. So, the three pillars of ESG are firstly the environmental. It talks about the what are the renewable initiatives of the company, how is the company managing its water usage, what are the carbon emissions, and what is the energy uses of the company. Then we have the social, where we have the diversity and inclusion, the employee health and benefits, the data privacy and security concern. A poor social would mean that there is a risk of employee attribution and there are chances for lawsuits. Now, a governance would mean that the board structure and the independence based on that. How is the promoter holding? How is the promoter shareholding and related party transaction? Is there is transparency in the audit process, and how is the ethical conduct of the company uh, as an entity? Now, poor G would mean that there is risk of fraud and loss of investor confidence. Now, how ESG affects our valuation is that firstly there is risk premium. A low ESG score would mean that a higher risk is perceived, and because of that there will be a higher discount rate in the DCF process, which will lead to a lower valuation, which we have seen when there are high interest rate even set by the RBI itself. It leads to a lower valuation of the company. Then we have access to capital. A high ESG score would attract more FII and DII investment, especially from those in global pension and sustainability funds, as they are more inclined to future sustainability projects and a company which is prolonged and open to new changes. Now, there is also effect on reputation and the brand image of the company. Now, ESG non-compliance would risk penalties and bans and boycotts, which could result in non-peak performance of the company, which might hinder its financial capabilities. Thank you.